You guys, this is a horse coming from out the forest in the water.
Come on.
We're trying to get it to come on land and get out of the water.
Yeah.
I guess he figured I'm in a good spot now.
Girl. Come on, girl.
There's another horse, but I don't know where it's at. We just heard it breathing and stuff. We have any more apples left? Get me.
Go get some. Here, girl. Here, girl. Come on. Look at it. She's scared.
She's scared?
Come on.
Yeah.
There you go, Tim.
Come on, girl.
Jalen.
Here, girl. Come on. Come on.
She can't hang out over here all day, though.
Here, girl. Come on.
I don't think I can cut that.
Here you go, Tim. Wow. I hope the other horse is okay. This is amazing. I need on my tennis shoes.
Yeah, I know.
Pretty cool.
Don't get tired. There we go.
She's loose in the neighborhood.
There you go. Yeah, when you get it, have your hand flat out. You gotta have your hand flat out. Yeah.
It's crazy. I'm outside in the morning looking a nice hot mess. What a crazy day. Cool.